Both of you are welcome
Thank you, sir.
in our next session of speaking, practicing English, discussing on various issues which are related to, first of all, our safety,
Yes, sir.
social engagement,
Yes, sir.
national progress. Means here we are not only talk in English, it is just a language, but having lots of information
Yes, sir.
and discussing on it regarding so many issues which are affecting our lives, society, and the nation, and even I should say the world. So all issues are coming from very small background, but they become universal. So as we have been living in India, our country is a traditional and cultured country.
Yes, sir.
So family is the backbone.
Yes, sir.
The family in which we are brought up, its values, its traditions, or its background, environment, it gives us our personality.
Yes, sir.
When we are born, we are just like a black, I should say, clean slate. On this slate, what we write? We write three ways. First, the home environment, the family background, the nurtureship and the love we get at home. Second, the school. Third, the society. So we all learn from here. We gain here, we lose here. So today our topic is the family. What is family? Especially what types of families are there? Then we should proceed in further direction. So what is a family, Mr. Hars?
A family in which you will live with your parents, your wife, your children, and uncle, aunties. The family is divided basically into two parts: joint family and nuclear family. In joint family, you live with your uncle, aunties, and all your cousins, wife, children, and grandparents. But in a nuclear family, you live with your wife, you live with your children only.
Okay.
This is the-
Okay. So now I proceed towards you, Mr. Ankit. So as Mr. Hars said about family. So what is a family?
According to me, a family is a group of
Members.
members or peoples or human beings which have a relationship in between them.
Blood relationship.
Yeah, which have a blood relationship in them. Suppose two or three people are living in a room or a house, but they don't have a relationship between them. Then we can't say that it's a family.
Okay. Okay.
It's normally a group of people.
Okay. So family means husband, wife, and their children.
Yes.
At least.
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
minimum.
Minimum. So this minimum term is for nuclear family, Hars.
Yes, sir.
And when we extend this family means husband, his brothers, sisters,
Uncle,
and
aunties,
uncle, aunties,
cousins.
parents, then grandchildren.
Yes.
So it makes a joint family.
Joint family.
Okay, okay. So as the term says joint means combining.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes.
And nuclear it shows that single direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both are I think in trend these days.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is a nuclear family, Mr. Hars?
So nuclear family in that you live only with your wife and you have your children and your grandparents. Only that. Nuclear family basically when you talk about some criteria, for example, careness.
No,
well-wishers.
we will go later into the details, the pros and cons of the families. We shall go later. First of all, let's deal with the definitions. So, Mr. Ankit, what is joint family?
According to me, joint family is a couple, their parents, their children. Means joint family consists of grandparents to grandchildren.
Right, right. Means it is like a big tree.
Yeah.
It has many branches,
Yes, sir.
fruiting and flowers,
Yes, sir.
etc. That's great. So now we are going closer to the main discussion point, that joint family, its advantages,
Yes, sir.
its pros and cons. Nuclear family, how good is it? Its
Yes.
pros and cons.
Yes, sir.
So, but we shall give equal point. Means we are not going to say joint family should be there or nuclear family should be there. It is not emotional issue here. We are talking on basis of some points. So, in which family there is more adjustment? Mr. Harsh?
I think in joint family it is more adjustable because in joint family you have to manage all the things proper, that all other members take its proper use resources. So adjustable I think is more in a joint family as compared to nuclear family.
Mr. Ankit, what is your point of view on the point of adjustment? Which family has more adjustment?
According to me, nowadays nuclear family have more adjustment because in joint family sometimes the thinking of people clashes.
Right.
That's why I don't think it's more adjustable nowadays.
Okay.
That's why nuclear family are trending in these days.
Okay, one more point strike to my mind also. Earlier I thought that joint family has more adjustment because their people are sometimes they compromise, they adjust, they leave their demand and they compromise the less. But adjustment doesn't mean that you are adjusting only with the human beings. Adjustment means that you adjust with the environment, new opportunities. Like you have an opportunity and you go away from home. Obviously, you have to leave your home there. It is not a point of nuclear or joint family. Later you go there and you find the environment is new, the language is new, the challenges are totally different. So that is also called adjustment.
Yes, sir.
And it is sure that you can't take your family there.
Yes, sir.
Even sometimes nuclear family even, like say the army, in army many times you don't have the quarters for your nuclear family even, so you adjust there. So adjustment is in both, means learning of adjustment more is in joint family.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because
in joint family you learn cooperate with each other.
Okay.
You learn cooperate with each other and care with each other. That is, I think, more uses when you go outside. When you go outside, you have cooperate with each other.
Okay.
This
Second point we shall proceed. Guidance. As you know, without guidance, we are nothing.
Yes.
Be it is a guidance of parents, teachers, or elders. So, in which family we have more guidance and proper guidance?
Sir, in joint family we get more guidance when our parents, our father, mother is in the absence of our father, mother, our uncle, aunties, our grandparents, they teach us many things and they give the direction of our life, what is right, what is wrong. This is more in joint family, but in nuclear family they are dependent only their father and mother.
Okay, means that is constructed to only to do two persons.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Ankit, what is your point of view on the thing of guidance?
Yeah, I agree with Harsh. According to me, we get more views and guidance in a joint family because as in a nuclear family, we get the views and ideas of our parents only, means our mother and father.
Right.
But if we live in a joint family, we had a chance to get the different ideas of our uncle and our parents and our grandparents. Then I think it's good and we get more guidance.
Okay, one more point strikes to my mind. As we are progressing fast, but we listen and we are concerned about safety, and especially safety of elders and children. Like everyday newspaper, we find news of child trafficking, means child are lifted from homes and abducted. So such cases, and elders they are thrashed by somebody and they are uncared for. So what do you think about safety of children and elder people? Where is it? It is more.
In joint family, the safety of elders and children is more as we compare to a nuclear family, because in the absence of parents, same thing. In the absence of parent, you have many well-wishers. You have many which can take care of you. In a joint family, it is plus point that in the absence of your parents, your uncle, aunties, or anything which help you in that situation.
Mr. Ankit, what is your point of view here regarding safety of children and elders?
Yeah, absolutely, I agree with Harsh. Suppose in a nuclear family, a couple is living with their parents, and if they had to leave the house
Right.
for some reason, then there's no one to take care of them.
Okay.
But if we are living in a joint family, then if the couple or the mother, father
Are away from.
are away from us, then our uncle or any other family member can take care of the children. Or suppose in my family, if my mother or my father leaves the home for any reason, then my uncle and auntie take care of me.
Okay, that is fantastic. So second, third, fourth point comes to cost of living. Means expenditure at home. As you know, these are the time of economic high rise, cost of living
Yes.
is going high. Every day we listen that thing has gone from this to that level. So sharing resources
Yes.
and occupying a same house
Yes, sir.
means a house has a single meter.
Mm.
In this electricity meter we can manage, but if we go into different house there is a different electric meter,
Yes, sir.
or you have a what we call it TV channels,
This thing.
dish TV.
Dish TV,
So we have to arrange separate forever. In earlier days there was not this, we had cable system and we could share connections,
Yes.
but now you have to buy for single use.
Yes, sir.
So how living in a joint family can lead us or can help us to fight with the cost of living?
Sir, in joint family, the cost of living is, I think, in minimum as compared to nuclear family. In joint family, you have same meter. You have maximum. You have same TVs, same dish TV, same water bill, or same food you eat. This is the. I think it's a good point that you live in a joint family. Your expenses is less, but you live in a nuclear family. Your everything is separated, and I think it is more costly.
Okay. Today I was reading in the Bhaskar. Can you give me? And there was a news. It is about सेहतमंद का न्यूज़ है ये। जीवन को बेहतर बनाने के लिए बच्चों का बुजुर्गों के साथ वक्त बिताना जरूरी।
Yes, sir. Absolutely right.
तो ये जो हेडलाइन है ये शो करती है कि कुछ रिसर्च हुई है। अब हर चीज़ की रिसर्च तो नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि हमारा फैमिली, उससे पहले वाला फैमिली, उससे पहले वाला फैमिली, हमारी खुद की रिसर्च भी है। क्या जरूरी कि हर बार डॉक्टर ही बताएंगे दैट वी शुड गो दैट वे? तो इसमें क्या कहा, देखिए कहा गया है कि न्यूक्लियर फैमिली के बच्चों को दादा दादी का प्यार केवल गर्मी की छुट्टियों में मिल पाता है। जो बच्चे बचपन से दादा दादी या नाना नानी के साथ रहते हैं उन्हें बुजुर्गों का प्यार लगातार मिलता है, जिसका उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ पर अच्छा असर पड़ता है। बच्चों और बुजुर्गों के साथ होने वाले अध्ययन से जुड़ी सारा मूरमैन के अनुसार बच्चे जो अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं उन बच्चों में बड़े होने पर डिप्रेशन की समस्या ज़्यादा देखने को नहीं मिलती। ये बच्चे मेंटल प्रेशर को आसानी से झेल पाते हैं, किसी भी विपरीत परिस्थिति का सामना करने और हर तरह की समस्या को बिना धीरज खोए सुलझाने की क्षमता इन बच्चों में बढ़ती रहती है। इस अध्ययन में पाया गया कि दादा दादी या नाना नानी से मिलने वाला प्यार बच्चों को बुद्धिमान और सब्र वाला बनाता है। देखिए 4-5 पॉइंट रखना चाहता हूँ। सब्र वाला, आजकल बच्चों में हमें पेशेंस देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है। अभी चाहिए, मोबाइल चाहिए वरना से मेरी जान चली जाएगी, है ना। अभी का अभी, ये अभी इंस्टेंट नूडल, इंस्टेंट लाइफ, इंस्टेंट फेम, इंस्टेंट सक्सेस, ये सब कुछ चाहिए। अरे भाई कुछ चीज समय भी लेती होगी। एक तो ये वाला पॉइंट मैं आप लोगों से चाहता हूँ। सेकेंड उन्होंने क्या कहा कि डिप्रेशन, आज लोगों के पास सब कुछ है। यार बड़े लोगों को डिप्रेशन हुए मानता हूँ, मैं एक फैमिली मैन हूँ, मेरे कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। आई कैन बी डिप्रेस्ड एट सम लेवल, बट चिल्ड्रन आर डिप्रेस्ड। ठीक है, जिन बच्चों को तो फिक्र का नाम सुना नहीं होना चाहिए था, दे आर एंजॉयिंग लाइक बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग। हाँ, खाओ पियो ऐश करो, ठीक है ना। लेकिन अब हो रहा है उल्टा, अपने बच्चों को 3 साल वाले बच्चों को बनाए चैंपियन, 6 साल वाले को बनाए पब्लिक स्पीकर, 10 साल वाले को बनाए वर्ल्ड चैंपियन। इस तरह की जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, सिंगल पेरेंट्स देख रहे हैं इनको, माँ बाप की सलाह ले नहीं पाते क्योंकि ज्वाइंट फैमिली नहीं है। तो हो क्या रहा है, हो ही रहा है कि छोटे बच्चे और खासकर जिनको आप बहुत बड़े कंट्री बोलते हैं, सो कोल्ड डेवलप्ड नेशन, जिसका मैं अमेरिका का नाम रखना चाहता हूँ, 5वीं क्लास के बच्चे ड्रग्स पे चले गए हैं। व्हाट ए हॉरिबल न्यूज, है ना। बड़े लोग कर रहे हैं, उनको कह सकते हैं। तो ये पॉइंट मैं आगे नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ, बस मैं ये देखना चाहता हूँ, न्यूक्लियर परिवार के बच्चों को बुजुर्गों से वीडियो कॉलिंग के जरिए कनेक्ट करें। मीन्स इंपॉर्टेंस कितनी हो गई कि न्यूक्लियर, ठीक है, आई हैव टू गो अवे फ्रॉम होम। भाई गांव में माँ बाप के पास में रह नहीं सकता क्योंकि मेरी वहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल नीड पूरी नहीं होती। आई हैव टू गो अवे फ्रॉम होम फॉर ए जॉब, है ना। इवन दूसरे देश में जाना पड़ता है, तो वहाँ पे मैं आई कांट टेक देम विद मी। लेकिन आजकल तो टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल कर सकती है, वी कैन मेक ए वीडियो कॉलिंग। तो कह रहा है न्यूक्लियर परिवार के बच्चों को बुजुर्गों से वीडियो कॉलिंग के जरिए कनेक्ट करें। बच्चों के कमरे में परिवार के बुजुर्गों के साथ हंसती खेलती तस्वीरें सजाएं। आफ्टर ऑल सारा मामला मेंटलिटी का है ना, है। तो इससे बच्चे महसूस करेंगे, अच्छा महसूस करेंगे। एक तय समय पर बातचीत करवाएं, आपस में कनेक्ट रहना उनके संबंधों को मजबूती नहीं बल्कि उनके लिए इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर का भी काम करेगा। आज कोरोना टाइम पे वी ऑल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इम्यूनिटी, स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यूनिटी, स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यूनिटी। तो मेंटल स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यूनिटी होने के लिए ये रिपोर्ट हमारे सामने है। ठीक है, हम जानते हैं न्यूक्लियर फैमिली आज के समय की ज़रूरत है, लेकिन ज़रूरत के साथ साथ हमें ये भी देखना पड़ेगा हमारे कुछ मेंटल नीड्स भी हैं। तो हम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे चलते हैं। तो इसमें अंकित जी आपका क्या कहना है? टू मेक चिल्ड्रन इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट करने के लिए, उनको सोशल स्ट्रक्चर जोड़ने के लिए, कल्चर सीखने के लिए, क्या जॉइंट फैमिली कुछ मदद कर सकता है हमारी?
Yes, joint family is very much helpful for the children to teach them culture,
traditions
and
right.
moral values also.
Okay.
Because in a nuclear family, both of the parents are working. They have to leave the home at the morning for earning money for their jobs, and they came back at the evening and they are tired and they slept. I mean to say that there is no time for the children. They can't teach their children the moral values. They normally give their mobile phones to the children.
Means they want to give them time, but they
But
can't.
they don't have.
Yeah, they go on their job, and after coming they are tired. They just prepare food, eat, and just go to sleep. Okay. In absence of parents in nuclear families, what can happen? What are the things that children are nowadays? We are listening about mobile phone addiction, or they are attracted towards such audios or videos which are not made for them, but they are prone to. Right. So in absence of parents, what are the problems that can?
Sir, in the absence of parents, what children do? Watching TV, using mobile phones, not go outside to play outside game, and that is very needy for a children. It is very very must. But today they are watching TVs, they are watching only phones, watching some movies which are not for that. This type of things are happening.
Okay, and as every coin has two sides.
Yes.
Pros and cons. So now let's look at the some brighter side of nuclear family also. So Mr. Ankit, what about privacy and independence? Which family has more?
According to me, nuclear family has more privacy and independence. Because in a nuclear family, we have to take the permission of our parents only. But if we are living in a joint family, we have to take the permission of our grandparents, or uncle, auntie, and our parents also. That's why I think nuclear family is more privacy.
Okay, Mr. Harsh, I would like to ask you, what are the problems caused by joint family when some members of family want to do something different? They want to go beyond the thinking box. They want to start something which was not done before. So how this joint family is detrimental there?
Sir, in joint family, the big disadvantages is that if they live in sometimes what happen, their thinking process of uncle auntie not match with father and mother, so it create many problems in the resources, in many things.
Okay, you mean to say that some people can be inactive also. They know that my elder brother is earning and resources can be shared easily, so they become passive. Okay. So now let's come to the nearness of the closing the point. So need of the time. What is happening more? Means future trend. What do you see? The future trend is of nuclear family or joint family, Mr. Ankit?
The future trend is of nuclear family because everybody has to leave their homes for jobs. Not everyone is getting the job in his own hometown. So that's why suppose I get a job in Bangalore, I have to leave my parents there, and I have to take my wife and my children to Bangalore. So automatically I have to live in a nuclear family. Okay,
Mr. Harsh, as Mr. Ankit pointed out, that time has come that we have to go from home. We can't earn our livelihood even in our neighboring areas. So with the trend of changing times, nuclear families are looking imminent need. So but how to keep good things of joint family with nuclear family, so we can give good education to our children, parent, husband and wife can feel happy, and they can take the children towards a level which can make them a balanced human being. So how we can keep the trend alive?
Sir, the children are always touch with their grandparents, with their uncle aunties, and other members of the family, which he can learn from that. His mentally will be strong. His mental. It's today what happen in nuclear family. The children was only alone. What he use watching TVs and these things. When he connect with his grandparents, his siblings, his cousins, I think he will learn more from that, and it can be maintain life.
Okay, so I think if we go towards the conclusion of
Yes, sir.
our discussion, I find that
Joint.
joint family had lots of things to offer to the young generation, but nuclear family is a new reality.
Yes.
We have to live with it.
Yes.
But how to keep the traditions alive and bring that source of information and knowledge which our old parents, old people had,
Yes, sir.
and we need to combine the things. And how to make a fine balance, it is a big challenge, I think.
Yes, sir.
And to cope with the challenge
Yes,
is
sir.
the human being real nature.
Yes, sir.
So I think we must be ready
Yes.
to incorporate the things, how times are changing,
Yes.
things are changing,
Yes.
and how to live a balanced life. So both of you, thank you for participating,
Thank you, sir.
and thanks for your such points which led us to a healthy discussion. Thanks again.